everybody, this is Jen from Old World Antiques, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet beautiful place setting for your Christmas table. I'm going to start out with using one of our breadboards, and I'm going to use it as my charger. Then you can take any kind of like old sheet music, pictures. You could take a page out of a Christmas book or anything and just add it to your charger. Next, I'm going to take and I'm going to add a marble ball. These are really beautiful and they just really add so much. We also have these wonderful Christmas bells. So I'm going to take a Christmas bell, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about an 8-inch piece of ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut me some little triangles out. Of both sides. Then next I'm going to add it through the top of my bell. And just kind of foof it up however you want it. Then, of course, you know, every time I have to sit there and I go look for my greenery. Well, this morning I was on my way to work and I had to stop and pull over on the side of the road. So I picked up some cedar, and so I'm going to add my cedar. And it'll give you just like a little green to it. Just stick it right in and have some green. And then of course I was driving a little further and then I saw some yopon trees and the cute little red berries, and I thought, oh, how cute would that be for Christmas? So we're going to add those in also. Let's see if we can find another stem. Here we go. So I'm just going to add it to both sides and add it, give it a little color and stuff. And so there you have your little bell, and we're going to place it like in the middle of our plate. Then you can add your silverware. And there you have it, a nice little Christmas place setting for your guest. I hope you enjoyed today, and I look forward to seeing you again.